Types of social research. So in sociology, researchers often categorize their data into following four categories. First is primary data. Primary data refers to information collected directly by the researcher themselves. So there is nobody involved in this. So this type of data often comes from surveys, interviews, and observational studies. Secondary data. Secondary data is information gleaned from previous researchers in sociology. This might include data from books, government data, or scholarly journals. Next is qualitative data. Qualitative data refers to information that is challenging to quantify in numerical terms. Researchers often derive numerical data from visual and auditory observation. Quantitative data. This data is information in numerical form. Researchers often collect this type of data through statistical method, especially surveys. Advantages and disadvantages of primary and secondary research. So primary research is directly collected, so it is more likely to be relevant, up to date, and can come up with an unexpected result. However, it might be expensive, impractical, biased, potential, unethical, or inaccessible, but it will help you to gain the novel data or original data. Secondary data can be easily accessible, time and cost effective, and more likely to be unbiased and ethical. It can also be irrelevant, difficult to access, and still be biased though, because this is not your own data. This is not your own research. This is somebody else's research that you are referring to. Advantages and disadvantages of quantitative and qualitative methods. Quantitative research can study large samples, can usually be generalized, be time and cost effective, can be more objective and avoid bias. However, the data can be surface level, can be impersonal or irrelevant, and can be inflexible. Qualitative research. This particular research provides data that is rich in detail, particularly relevant and unique, and can be flexible. However, qualitative data can be difficult to generalize, have smaller sample, be less objective, and be more time consuming and costly.